Shiba Inu is absolutely exploding right now. This coin has literally seen over 400% gain just today. Let's talk about Shiba Inu, where it could be heading with Elon Musk going on SNL tonight, and a host of other things happening with this coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. Hit our WeBull link down in the description below if you guys want to pick up 2 free stocks with WeBull, and check out our course program. It's all linked down in the description below. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Here we are, guys, with Shiba Inu token. Here you can see the graph in the absolute explosion in price we have seen on May 8th here and May 9th, mostly running kind of at around midnight or late at night, and into obviously the later part of today that the video is being filmed on, of course, which is May 8th. As you can see here, we are now hitting the point where we saw the top here at the all-time high sitting around 1689, right? Not that far off from being not a tenth, not a hundredths, not a thousandths, but almost a millionths, place, which is pretty crazy indeed, or 100,000ths place, sorry, not a millions. But it seems we are starting to bounce off this top as we speak. As you can see here, we might be making a double top type of pattern here, which if we look back to previous levels on different types of coins, not just this coin, you can tell obviously Shiba had a little bit of a run here and then kind of died off. But overall, there has been times where this coin and most of these DeFi coins kind of do this thing where they have the initial run up where there's just this massive huge spike in price, double tops where it hits an all-time high, will pull back a little bit, hit close to the all-time high, but not exactly. It'll make a lower low, or a lower high rather, and then it will unfortunately usually kind of trend downwards. But obviously that is not necessarily guaranteed that that's going to happen. It could, for all we know, continue to trend upwards. Let's just take a quick look here at the RSI, and of course we'll get into why this is happening fundamentally. I'm sure many of you are already educated and you probably know why this is happening. It's because, of course, Elon Musk is going on SNL tonight, which is Saturday. Saturday night, he will be going on tonight, and he will be making his guest appearance and hosting or being on SNL, which will be really cool to see. And of course, we know that Dogecoin is very tightly woven into Elon Musk's overall persona and the things he does, not just on the internet, but in real life, and everything he does, what that's related to Dogecoin tends to drive price fluctuations with Dogecoin. This is what we've seen. This is a pattern that is very clear and understandable. You just look at some of his tweets. Every time he tweets either something positive about Dogecoin or something even related to it, the coin or the crypto tends to go upwards. And it seems that with Shiba, which of course is similar to Doge in the fact that it is a kind of a meme, and it's related obviously with the dog, the breed of the dog being the exact breed, of course, in this coin. And now it's running up, leading up to this Elon Musk SNL performance. So if you're watching this video and you bought anywhere down here and you're probably making some big money right now. I would assume that you have quite a bit of money, and it would honestly come as no surprise to me that, as you can see here with the RSI sitting at the overbought levels, as you can see, that this may come back down. This may have a correction, because these types of things happen, especially after these huge types of run-ups, especially on a individual catalyst that is going to be over today. Today is the only day that this is happening, obviously, and then hype and steam could start to fade. A lot of people are thinking the same thing is going to happen with Dogecoin, of course. Now, just so we can look at the coin market cap stuff for this, as you can see here, up 512% now. At the time of making this video, it was up 400% not too long ago. As you can see here, there's not too much information on this. Their Twitter just saying $10 billion market cap, saying it's going to increase, fully diluted market cap. Everything's up pretty much 1,000% on volume, which is crazy. On 206,000 watch list, if I'm not mistaken. That's pretty high. As you can see here, ranked 28. Not too bad, not too shabby as far as its overall ranking and popularity amongst people who invest, of course. But here's what I think most people are worried about with this coin, obviously, and they want to know now, is that if they bought in at lower levels, obviously you're making profit right now and you're probably pretty happy. If you haven't bought into this coin yet and you're thinking about buying into this coin, well, like anything, of course, this is not financial advice and we do not give financial advice, But it seems this stock is, in my personal opinion, and the way I would personally trade this, I'm not personally myself, I am not going to buy into Shiba coin at this level. I think that it could pull back and potentially go higher. We will have to see the pattern, of course, that it makes. The problem with a lot of these DeFi coins is that they do tend to have these not just small or insignificant pullbacks. They are massive sometimes. Sometimes these can drop all the way down to previous lows or maybe a little bit higher, but it can drop massively in a very short amount of time. This can happen within a day or two. The type of price change that we can see on this. And similar things have happened with SafeMoon, with the original huge run up that we saw with SafeMoon. And then SafeMoon began to basically correct back down, but now obviously SafeMoon is running once again and it's doing quite well for itself, but it took a while for that to happen. Shiba is of course a relatively new coin, as you can see here, volume, way back here. This is more when people actually started buying it around here, kind of got hype off TikTok and all that stuff. You can still buy a significant amount of Shiba Shiba Inu for not that much money, obviously, right? The percentages, or the 10th, 100th, thousandths, 100,000ths place of percentage that the coin, or sorry, the cents that it would cost you to buy is not that much. Pretty crazy stuff, guys. But overall, I'm not going to be buying at these levels myself. I'm going to wait for a further pullback and maybe hop in and see if I can continue to catch the hype. The thing about today, though, is that a lot of people are thinking that the SNL performance for Elon Musk is going to be a make or break deal where, once it happens, it'll happen, and then maybe like Dogecoin and Shiba, for the most part, will lose hype. However, we cannot forget that Elon Musk has talked about, obviously, Shiba before, or not Shiba, sorry, Dogecoin and anything related to Dogecoin before this, and I would argue that Elon Musk is a large catalyst for this coin, and as he continues to talk about it, and if Dogecoin continues to get accepted by different types of institutions or different types of places, I think Shiba will also run alongside that price similarity. Ooh, as you can see here, we have a nice green candle pushing upwards. Again, patterns don't always have to be the same. Patterns can change sometimes. And as you can see here, it may break this previous high. We will have to wait and see though. But of course, let me know down in the comments if you guys are holding this coin, if you guys made any money with this coin. And good luck out there to everybody who's waiting for the SNL broadcast tonight. I think that there will be some very interesting things that will happen with it, I'm sure. But other than that, guys, that is pretty much it for Shiba Inu. It'll be really interesting to see where this coin goes. It seems like it has the most volatility out of anything on the DeFi markets right now, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what happens with it. For people who held this coin when it was really down, well, congratulations, guys. This is probably a very great day for you. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. Check out our WeBull link if you guys want to pick up some free stocks with WeBull, and check out our course program if you guys want to learn how to trade in the stock market. Well, other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle, Finance Bro. Take it easy.